to explore the zoom tool, you can see it down here on the left side toolbar, down at the bottom. And you see a little plus sign. I'm going to zoom in and zoom out. And when I click it once, then it goes, actually, let me just go from the beginning. If I press Command 0, we're at 100%. And if I click it once, it goes to 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, and so on. At the top at the top panel, I can go back to 100%. We also have Scrubby Zoom selected. So as you can see, I can go in and out. So I can zoom in and out. It goes back and forth. Now I'm going to go ahead and unclick Scrubby Zoom. And it shows me a specific location that I selected, but I can't go back and forth. So I'm going to press Scrubby Zoom again and go back to 100%, and I can zoom in and out when I have Scrubby Zoom. Down at the lower left corner, it shows the percentage of zoom. So if I zoom in, and on the lower left corner, you can see I'm zoomed in 2,943%. So go ahead right now and explore the zoom tool. Once again, remember, on all the tools that we have, you can click on it or hover over them, and there's a little triangle that has more tools, and there's also information that will explain what the tools are. All right, go ahead and explore.